Hi there, I'm Jake. Today, we're learning 100 simple and useful sentences all about love. Some of these are for everyday use, while others are perfect for Valentine's Day. Sounds fun, right? Let's get started. Expressing feelings. I like you.
I like you.
I'm really into you.
I'm really into you.
I have a crush on you.
I have a crush on you.
I have feelings for you.
I have feelings for you.
I think you're nice.
I think you're nice.
I think you're amazing.
I think you're amazing.
I love spending time with you.
I love spending time with you.
You make me happy.
You make me happy.
I'm crazy about you.
I'm crazy about you.
He is a playboy.
He is a playboy.
He flirts with everyone.
He flirts with everyone.
He dates a lot of girls.
He dates a lot of girls.
I care about you.
I care about you.
You are special to me.
You are special to me.
Asking someone out. Are you free tonight?
Are you free tonight?
Do you want to have dinner with me?
Do you want to have dinner with me?
Do you want to watch a movie?
Do you want to watch a movie?
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's have a coffee together.
Let's have a coffee together.
Would you like to go on a date with me?
Would you like to go on a date with me?
What time should we meet?
What time should we meet?
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
Let's have a great time together.
Let's have a great time together.
Giving compliments. You look beautiful today.
You look beautiful today.
You have a lovely smile.
You have a lovely smile.
Your eyes are stunning.
Your eyes are stunning.
I love your style.
I love your style.
You are very kind.
You are very kind.
You are so cute.
You are so cute.
You are very charming.
You are very charming.
You are really smart.
You are really smart.
You have a wonderful personality.
You have a wonderful personality.
You have a great sense of humor.
You have a great sense of humor.
You're the most wonderful person I know.
You're the most wonderful person I know.
Being with you makes me feel special.
Being with you makes me feel special.
Confessing love. I love you.
I love you.
I'm in love with you.
I'm in love with you.
I think I'm falling for you.
I think I'm falling for you.
I feel so lucky to know you.
I feel so lucky to know you.
I enjoy every moment with you.
I enjoy every moment with you.
You are my best friend and more.
You are my best friend and more.
I want to share my life with you.
I want to share my life with you.
You are my favorite person.
You are my favorite person.
You are my everything.
You are my everything.
You are my dream come true.
You are my dream come true.
I've never felt this way before.
I've never felt this way before.
I want to be with you forever.
I want to be with you forever.
Romantic moments. Can I hold your hand?
Can I hold your hand?
Let's walk hand in hand.
Let's walk hand in hand.
Stay with me a little longer.
Stay with me a little longer.
I love the way you look at me.
I love the way you look at me.
I love the way you smile.
I love the way you smile.
You take my breath away.
You take my breath away.
You are the best thing that happened to me.
You are the best thing that happened to me.
I feel happy when I'm with you.
I feel happy when I'm with you.
I want to make you happy.
I want to make you happy.
You are my sunshine.
You are my sunshine.
You make my world brighter.
You make my world brighter.
I love being in your arms.
I love being in your arms.
Marriage and commitment. Will you marry me?
Will you marry me?
I want to grow old with you.
I want to grow old with you.
You are the one for me.
You are the one for me.
I love you more every day.
I love you more every day.
We are meant to be together.
We are meant to be together.
We are a perfect match.
We are a perfect match.
You're my soulmate.
You're my soulmate.
You complete me.
You complete me.
We complete each other.
We complete each other.
I promise to always be by your side.
I promise to always be by your side.
Let's build a happy home together.
Let's build a happy home together.
Love is a journey, and I want to walk it with you.
Love is a journey, and I want to walk it with you.
Every day with you is a gift.
Every day with you is a gift.
Breakups and moving on. I need some space.
I need some space.
We need to talk.
We need to talk.
I don't want to argue.
I don't want to argue.
You never listen to me.
You never listen to me.
You broke my heart.
You broke my heart.
That's not what I meant.
That's not what I meant.
Let's calm down.
Let's calm down.
This isn't working out.
This isn't working out.
I think we should go our separate ways.
I think we should go our separate ways.
I don't love you the same way anymore.
I don't love you the same way anymore.
We both deserve to be happy.
We both deserve to be happy.
Love doesn't always last forever.
Love doesn't always last forever.
I hope we can still be friends.
I hope we can still be friends.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I understand your feelings.
I understand your feelings.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
Can we start over?
Can we start over?
I love you and I don't want to fight.
I love you and I don't want to fight.
Let's forget it and move on.
Let's forget it and move on.
We can make each other happy.
We can make each other happy.
Valentine's Day. Phrases. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Be my Valentine.
Be my Valentine.
You are my Valentine.
You are my Valentine.
Love is in the air.
Love is in the air.
Let's celebrate love today.
Let's celebrate love today.
I got you something special.
I got you something special.
This is for you, my love.
This is for you, my love.
Chocolates and flowers for my sweetheart.
Chocolates and flowers for my sweetheart.
Let's have a romantic dinner.
Let's have a romantic dinner.
Spending Valentine's Day with you is the best gift.
Spending Valentine's Day with you is the best gift.
Thank you for filling my life with love and laughter.
Thank you for filling my life with love and laughter.
That's all for today's lesson. Not too hard, right? Keep practicing and use these sentences with confidence. Happy Valentine's Day. See you next time.